simple things, plates, bowls, that you can use in the country, because out there it's pretty rustic. So 8-9 baht a bowl or a plate, so it's easy. I think the necessities out there are more important than the luxuries of life. So I'm going to do a little bit of shopping, maybe do a little bit of shopping and mooching around for myself. I'm just going to head towards Terminal 21 now. I've been using bolts while we've been here, especially when I'm using a walking stick for the time being, and they're pretty damn good, to be fair. It's cheap enough. You're paying about £2, £2.5 at max, depending on where you're going, obviously. But they're quite damn. They are quick. Within 2 or 3 minutes away from wherever you're travelling. So I'll spin this round in a second, and you can have a look where we're heading. Traffic at the moment is pretty chaotic by the looks of it. Normally I would use probably the motorbike taxis, but it's easier and quicker. I wouldn't say it's the safest route, but here, obviously, with the Bolt taxis, you've got aircon, so I'll spin this round and you can have a look where we're heading. I'm not 100% sure where we're actually going. It's somewhere near to it, Terminal 21. Apparently it's down from Terminal 21. Looking at it, the prices are cheap. So we're going to have a look round, see what we're buying. There's a load of stuff here, so I'll spin this round and we can have a look. Okay, so look, yep, you've got your Christmas stuff, which is nice, by the galore. Yeah, we had a conversation in the taxi. Apparently 2 bolts turned up. We grabbed the first one, which was ours by the registration, and another one turned up asking where we were. And it always seems to be, when I'm making a video, her phone goes off. Murphy's Law, Sod's Law, whatever you want to call it. Things don't go to plan and reset. Yeah, you go for it, darling. So sometimes you have to bite your tongue, and these things, as they say, these things happen. So now we're going to look for some stuff for her brother. I think I'm going to get a little bit for the bungalow as well, if I see something. I'll have a look at the prices. It's can't see any prices on these things, to be fair, but here we go. Let's have a look at what we've got here. You see that for in the fields. Look at that beast. That is a beast and a half. I don't know how much. There's a price on one of them, actually. With the 280 baht, 289 baht. So what's that? About £8. Oh. So you buy more or less everything that you want. She's got big spoons, I don't know. Leave it to it. Your garden stuff. There is everything. And just like that, I've been bitten by mosquitoes. seem to like me a lot. So I have bought some stuff from the previous called Skin Soft by Avon, and it does work. Don't know how much. I've only had, to be fair, I've not been using it, so past few days I've started to use it because I've been getting bitten. So, sour face. Put a smile on that face. That's better. So I'm getting bits and bobs for a brother for Christmas. I'm going to have a wander around here while I'll see what she buys in the end. I think that's going to be the easiest way, so we can have a mosey. There's all sorts of stuff here. It looks pretty cheap as well. Let's have a look. It's like a big warehouse tool, in effect. I do know what I want. I want a bottle opener, of all things. I just thought then, random thoughts coming to my mind, but yeah, I want a bottle opener. She has got one at home, but it's not the greatest of bottle openers. So if I see one of them, I'm going to pick one of them up. But there's got to be one in here somewhere. Keep my eyes out for one of them. Yeah, random thoughts, eh? Well, I'd have to be happy about that, because we do have conversations and they tend to wander off in different directions. Good at that. So, I don't think it's in any order in here. Well, if there is, I can't see one. So, I mooch around, see what we can buy. I got one of my screws for my GoPro, one of the clamps that had come away from its housing, so did that this morning with some super glue. Yep, got it all over my hands. Hey-ho. I'm trying to peel that off over the course of the next couple of days. Oh, I've only just noticed they've got an upstairs up there. By the looks of it, it's a lot of it's Christmas stuff and party gear. I'm not sure what. Or same again, I don't know. But it's nice to mooch around rather than just round the bars. It's something different. Get you all your... It's quite nice, just having a wander. There we go. That looks like you can buy it by the single or by the packet. In fact, if I find my lady, there she is. But being small, sometimes you just don't see her. Let's see if I get her to have a look for a bottle opener as well. Darling, let's just look at her plates and bowls and everything in there. Darling, yeah. If you see a bottle opener, bottle opener for beer.
Yeah, in back up there.
You know, Kat.
Up.
I'll have a look. I'll let you, well, I'll spin round. It's going to be easier me walk round and go try and get past her. 10 baht for a bottle opener, so she says. So let's have a look. Where up here, darling? Alright. Well, looks like I'll walk right past it, by the sounds of it. Oh, let's have a wander. Let's see if we can get a half decent one. All your incense sticks and scents. They've got everything. What we got? Nope. I haven't got a Scooby-Doo wear. I really haven't. Nope, I can't find it, but keep on looking. Oh, what's that? Oh, something. Looks more like a can opener. I want something for the shower as well, but where you put the shower head into, it doesn't, it's not strong enough to hold the shower, so by the time you leave it there, it's spraying somewhere else. Sweaty cap. Not a happy bunny, that lady. Either doesn't want to be on the camera or certainly not smiling that well. Seen better smiles anyway, let's put it that way. You know what? I can't find out where it is. Another day, another day. So yeah, got today, have a wander around. I've lost her, which is no surprise. What the hell? Got today and tomorrow. Then Sunday we're flying out. I'm not sure which airlines yet. Whichever one it is, it's going to be the cheapest one. Let's put it that way. We'll fly out to Udon, then taxi from Udon to Nakhon. And we've got, I think, roughly about a week there. Then Yok's sister or friend are taking us to Ubon. On a few days there. We were going to go to Laos and get out and do a visa run, but decided against it. I'm going to actually go immigration and do it from there. It's going to cost me 400 baht more, but It just saves a red stamp in me passport, because I've had a couple of them already. Oh, well, you can see they've got everything here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have, give us a thumbs up, share, post it somewhere else. And once again, thank you very much for watching. You take care.